Hi everyone, I'm Brandon Hohrein with the Hohrein Group at Keller Realty, Central Delaware. Today we're going to dive into a very interesting topic, contracts. When buying or selling a home, you're going to encounter a real estate contract. This document is legally binding and sets out all the terms of the transaction. It's crucial that you fully understand what you're signing, so let's break it down together. First, let's start with the basics. Offer price. This is the price that you as a buyer are willing to pay for, or as a seller are willing to accept as an acceptable purchase price for the property. This is important, but also negotiable. Next, we have earnest money. This is essentially the buyer's skin in the game, showing that they are willing to go through with the entire contract and purchase the house. Though the amount of escrow varies greatly, typically the escrow is held in a non-interest bearing account at the listing agent's office. Another key element is contingencies. These are conditions that must be met in order to proceed. Common contingencies are your finance contingency, your inspection contingencies, and your appraisal contingencies. If these conditions are not met, the contract can be canceled at no repercussion to the buyer. Now let's talk about time frame, because time is of the essence. Every contract will specify a closing date, or in Delaware we call it a settlement date. This is the day that you as the buyer take ownership, or you as a seller transfer ownership of the property to the new owner. This timeline can range from a few weeks to a few months, depending on what contingencies need to be met through the process. Lastly, don't forget about disclosures. Sellers are required to disclose any known defects to the house. This is where honesty is key, and failing to disclose any known issues with the house could lead to legal ramifications, as disclosures are part of the legal documents. Now, this is just a quick overview of real estate contract, but you definitely want to have somebody that's knowledgeable in your corner when negotiating through a real estate contract. You can call me, Brandon Hohrein, at 302-346-2729. I'm here to help you understand the ins and outs of the real estate contract and how to make good decisions in your home buying process. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment. And subscribe too, that's cool too. Again, my name is Brandon Hohrein with the Hohrein Group at Keller Realty, Central Delaware. Y'all have a good day. You know, I'm so good at that now because I've been doing it for so long.
I know.
Today we're going to dive into a very important topic.
Did you have a stroke there?
Pretty much. Did I say contingencies enough? If you have any questions or you want to learn more, don't hesitate to reach out. I thought for a second I said, don't reach out. I had to replay it in my head to make sure that I knew what I was saying.
Please don't reach out if you have questions about contracts.
Yeah, I don't care.
I don't have answers.
You can call me. Let me actually look at the camera before I start talking. Thank you for watching. And if you find this information helpful, please don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and follow.
Like, share, subscribe, and comment.
Yeah.